visit the location. I don't know if you can see up there, we've got a full moon tonight. Can I ask please, is there anybody within this location that could possibly come forward?
Mystical.
Mystical, thank you. I appreciate that. What's mystical about this place, please? It's certainly a fascinating structure. I'd really appreciate any communication that maybe someone from the First or Second World War could give me. Or anybody from the older section of the building that may have been here many hundreds of years ago.
Lover.
Lover? Was there a lover here? Was there maybe a World War II soldier that lost his life and he misses the love of his life? Could that be the case?
Yes, we're here.
Yes, you're here, thank you. I really appreciate that.